beautiful choreography work. So come on, sit down. How you going? So we have here a great day for sleeping.
Sure. Really bad conditions today. Participate in the Argentinian PWC and I did qualify and I'm super happy to be into the super final with all the great pilots.
Yes, it's about fooling around, making nothing, and besides that, we are just taking nips. You see, this second ranked pilot in Colombia, and he has his uncle who is striving not to give him the title of Colombian national champion.
Yeah.
What a strategy to outbeat your uncle, is it?
No drinks, no drugs, just a healthy life.
Good saying, man.
Yeah.
If you could see them, no one came back to me and said he is on this ridge or near the red wire antenna or anything. So if you hear me calling out and no one's answering, but you know where the pilot is, tell us. Do tell us. It will help us. Okay? Sing, Mary, happy birthday to you.
So today it's not taskable. It's raining dogs and cats. Christian, are you prepared to fly to the bed, to nowhere today, to sleep? Good to me. What are you doing today?
I have a nice book. I want to start reading it. It was pretty good that the organizers are ambitious and optimistic, but I think we wasted some time here.
And the difference in height is because your ranking in the competition is better than mine?
No, man, I wish the competition will be ranked well for the VPRS points, and I think for me 10th place or 15th place at the end of the competition after 4 tasks is better than a third after just 1 task.
No, I'm meaning you are higher than me in this video right now. So here are our pilots. You have a small collapse on the right side. Raining like hell, bringing the gliders back to the truck.